Right, welcome back to ShedTune and ShedTune HQ, and we're getting on with the cut down once again. I've been and bought the coffees, but I've also been and bought some chocolate biscuits because no one sent any Jaffa cakes in. What can I say but shame on you. They were exactly that, Dom, all talk and no one sent any in.
Blacksmith.
Hang on. What's that?
What?
That? I thought we'd decided what seat we were having.
Yeah.
Don't you tell me after all that we're having that on it.
No, I got that from Keith, so
Oh, okay.
that's for the next one after this.
Okay.
It's been modified.
Fair enough.
That's if we ever finish this.
We will. Dom. No, don't know her. Look. Come and see what's on the Stool of Fortune.
That sounds fucking wrong, really wrong.
No, the Stool of Fortune. I brought presents.
You brought presents.
Yeah.
Stool of Fortune.
And then I know you're dead excited to open them and see what they are.
Wow, you're spoiling me. Coffee.
Well, you can never do too much for someone you like.
You just places the one closer to the door.
Shut up, you bellend.
Wow. Well, no, I'm not going to be sarcastic because I actually do like these anyway.
What?
A different size.
That's the big one. I've had some more done.
Excellent. Because I gave mine to my daughter.
What, show the logo? So there you go, nut and bolt tray. And where can you get them from?
Not that logo. It's that logo. This is the decently logo.
Yeah, they are. That is the decent logo. So there's a large nut and bolt.
Apparently there's a shop.
Is there? What's it called?
I should have rehearsed this. I think it's shedtune.shop.
That's right. Our new website. Don't mess about, open the other one.
I see, now I'm smiling. Because
What are all
stickers.
loads of stickers, new stickers,
And another pop.
and the small nut and bolt tray. So all the new design stickers.
So there's the...
I know, it's good that, isn't it?
It's not bad. I don't know who designed it.
I think you'll find that was an excellent designer.
I'm not so sure, but...
Well, there you go. Well, your
Had a
favourite.
few people asking for these.
Well, they're available in the shop.
Yeah.
You can buy a sticker pack.
And the shop is shedtune.shop.
Oh, sorry, I can't help it.
Oh, brilliant.
Okay, well, that's not the way you get rid of wasps.
Absolutely brilliant.
Today's mission, sort the bars out. So Dom's dug out the bits and pieces we've got, which are clip-ons. He's measured the headset to get us an idea of what the distances are, and then the whole idea is that we make up a plate for the clip-ons to bolt into.
Series 2 is 26.5 and the GP is 26.25.
Is it? That big? Don't look it, does it?
Which is bizarre. And you've got the tube on.
Oh yeah, of course.
And the tube stick down. And then obviously on the GP it's got the power ends out. But we can actually replicate the same angle.
Yeah, because it's fully adjustable. That's handy.
That'll obviously bring in.
So we can adjust it every way, up, down, backwards and forwards sort of thing.
Yeah, so we'll work on that.
Okay.
Give us some idea.
Of what size to make the plate?
Fucking huge. 10 inches. A piece of wood about 10 inches.
Alright. Just for reference, we're just checking shed tune 78 because it's a similar sort of design. What's that?
8 inches.
So that's 8 inches.
But that's actually only 23 wide.
But do you know what? When I ride that, it's really stable. It doesn't feel.
No.
Oh look, if we
Maybe
make
I'll
it.
meet in the middle. But give it that. It's 8 inch. So they're quite angled back as well, to be fair.
Yeah, true.
And then 6 inch centres.
We could do 7 inch centres and adjust it to suit.
Yeah, we could actually do a line of bolts to drop it through.
So you get the idea. What we're going to do is we're going to make up a wooden template with different adjusting points, and then put it on and see what fits really. Yeah, I think down there, don't you?
So we want probably a minimum of 2 inches. So if I cut a couple of pieces, 2 inches.
Of the bar.
Yeah.
The bar. Okay.
We'll do it 2.5.
Just to be on the safe side.
No, I can always trim it off.
So that's going to drop it. That would probably look pretty good, because the gap between there and there, I know we're going to put a headlight or whatever in front.
Yeah, 2.5.
So much easier with aluminium.
Yeah, very much so. That's going to be fun, isn't it?
Right, you lot, don't forget, we need more stickers for the sticker board. So drop us a comment below, get some stickers in the post, and you can get on the sticker board of fame. So there you go, them bits are being machined up roughly. We've cut
Very
some bars,
roughly.
and it's literally to make a mock-up, so don't judge us just yet.
You can do.
Well, yeah, you can do, you probably will do. But we have decided we're just going to make the top and bottom bit out of wood, because it's a lot easier than trying to cut it out of anything else.
Get some idea.
Making some holes.
Sorry, don't take too quickly.
Yes. You have to keep an eye on him. cock it up. We're just trying to mock up this plate so that we get the holes in the right area. These are only mock-ups, don't forget, but we are actually getting somewhere, so it looks like a set of bars. Or wider.
Isn't it? Of course, because that
Oh, it's the bloody...
should be that way.
Oh, yeah. Okay, well, it's not the end of the world, is it?
No,
Turn that
gives
round.
some idea. So, if we worked on that principle, that being round that way, so we're a fair way forward on the handlebars.
Sit on the... as if you were going to be in a riding position. That's actually not so bad, is it?
No, it's and that's more forward than it would be normally.
Yeah. Okay, so you could actually bring it back slightly.
So
because if we turn that round...
Where's the...
What? This bit?
That bit. Yeah, spin it round.
Yeah. That's it. That's this side now. That's the beauty of having fully adjustable clip-ons, is we can literally adjust every angle.
Yeah.
That's it. Must go up a bit. So it's about there.
Swap these over and do it the other way because that bar needs to be that side.
Okay.
So then the bolt will be.
That's not bad though, isn't it? Obviously we won't have that Snetterton seat on it. Look at his face. Right,
It's actually not too bad.
we'll be riding around the car park next weekend.
Funny thing is,
What? You ain't as bendy as you used to be?
so it's still forward, obviously.
But that's pretty good, isn't it?
But
If you had the rear sets on, so the rear sets are fully adjustable, which is going to be roughly where Dom's feet are anyway.
but that
That ain't too bad because you're not too far forward.
obviously
Well, you could ride it like that, I suppose, if you wanted to.
they can even come up higher.
Yeah, true. Because you've probably got a good No, 3/4 of an inch.
Yeah. And this is what I was saying, they don't actually have to be down as drops.
No, but that's what once you've got a headlight here,
Yeah.
right, that's going to hide that bit there. There'll be a bottom bracket on a bottom bit anyway there.
Of which we will.
So we're just going to check what 78's got.
Yours is full. Yours is 6-inch centres,
But then
and yours is forward of that. And it goes that way.
that is very true. But bearing in mind, that's so that we can tuck behind the bubble, and that's going to be ridden on the road.
And then we can move that plate the opposite way.
Yeah. So we've got to make a bottom plate to go there, but that's not the end of the world. That's easy. Just be a hole on that, won't it? I think you're right on that. By the time that's been machined flat and we put the other one on it, is that the bar we're going to use?
Probably not. If we were forward, then I would have. If we were forward there.
Yeah. But because we've got to cut a hole and bolt it to there, what we use, like, what's that? About 8mm?
I think it's 10.
10mm,
12 actually.
12. So what will we want, about 8mm? Or maybe 6?
Probably do go for the same.
Okay.
So it's nice and chunky.
Yeah, well, that's fair enough. What do you lot think? Drop some comments below. As I say, I know it's made out of wood. It's a bit of a bodge at the moment, but you get the idea of what we're going for.
Rounded.
All shaped.
Even like that. Just basically like if you set motorbike triple trees. You got that top section there,
Yeah.
under there. Rounded round there. And then a matching one goes underneath with a big old round frame.
Perfect. Well, I think we're quite pleased with the progress made on them so far. You happy?
Yeah. I would be.
Good.
Set up. No. It's
Well, you could do the outro then, Dom.
bye.
Bellend. Right.
So
Don't forget.
It's goodbye from him.
Bye.
And it's goodbye from me.
And what have they got to do?
Like and subscribe.
That's it.
No, yeah.
Don't forget, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and if you like seeing what you like seeing, no, that just didn't make sense. So scrap that.
Bye.
Should we do another one?
That's all, folks.